Hello guys, welcome to CAD/CAM e-learning and tutorial series of part modeling in SolidWorks. In our first exercise, we are going to start with this part. Here we will use the multi-sketching approach in which we will not draw separate sketch for each extruding element. By doing this, we will complete this part using only 3 sketches. So let's learn how to do it. Start a new part. Let's draw our first sketch on front plane. First draw the horizontal and vertical axes. Then draw 3 circles. Trim the outer circle to make it semicircle as per drawing. Define the diameters and radius. Now draw the left portion of above geometry. Mirror it about vertical axis. Merge the end points with that of semicircle. Define the dimensions. This one is 40, this one is 20, then 8 and finally 24. Now draw a center rectangle to make this cutout. Coincide the lower part with circle boundary and define the width. Now zoom in and trim the circle. Now draw a center rectangle for bottom base. Its height is 10 and width is 54 plus diameter of the corner flits. Again draw a center rectangle for this rib. Coincide it with base and the horizontal axis. Define its width as 8. Now draw the left portion of this rib. And mirror it above vertical axis. Coincide it with base and with horizontal axis. Now define the dimensions. This is 20 and this one also 20. And this line is tangent to the semicircle. Now our multi-sketch is complete. Exit the sketch and select Extrude Boss. It will select the whole sketch, so delete sketch and hover the mouse over bottom rectangle. Select the rectangle and extrude on mid-plane. The length of extrude is 94 plus diameter of the corner flit. Select OK on it and you see only this rectangle has been extruded. Now again select sketch and select extrude. Again delete sketch and this time select the vertical rectangle to extrude the central rib. Repeat extrude this time for another rib. Again repeat for the semicircle portion. Finally repeat for the circular section. Now extrude cut the same sketch and select inner circle with cutout. Select through all both to cut the desired shape. So you see the power of this approach, that with only one sketch we have drawn almost 80% of the part. Now select right plane and select sketch. Draw the vertical axis. Draw two circles. Inner circle dia is 11 and make the outer circle tangent to both sides. Draw the enclosure of outer circle and trim the circle to make it semicircle. Exit the sketch and select extrude cut. Select through all both. Now fillet the four corners of base with radius 8. Now sketch on top face of the base. Draw two concentric circles. Make the bigger circle concentric and tangent to the fillet. Define the diameter of the small circle. Now select both circles and select rectangular pattern to draw the three remaining corners. Space in x direction is 94 and y direction is 54. Flip the direction to mesh with the drawing. Exit the sketch and extrude up with height 2. Extrude cut the same sketch, but this time delete sketch and select the four inner circles to make holes. Select through all. So finally our part is completed, and you can see we had drawn only 3 sketches to draw this complex part in no time using the multi-sketching approach. Now let's meet you in the next tutorial soon. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification of my next videos. Thanks for keep watching and liking CAD/CAM e-learning. Take care.